Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable apps verifying on your Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to move to our settings icon, which is located in the top right corner of our screen, and press OK. From here, scroll all the way down and find device preferences. Click on it and here scroll down again till you see security and restrictions. Now select security and restrictions and click OK. From here you can already see the setting, which is verify apps, and you can either disable it or enable it like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.